នេះយើងបោះ50 listening and reading តែយើងអានហើយនឹងស្ដាប់ដែរ the meaning of life អត្ថន័យនៃជីវិត look at the picture and read the introduction to the story of the businessman and the fisherman look at the picture ណាយើងមើលទៅរូបភាព and read the introduction ហើយមើលការណែនាំ to the story ណាសាច់រឿង of the businessman រវាងណាបរិសុទ្ធអ្នកជំនួញ and the fisherman ហើយនឹងអ្នកនេសាទ answer the question ចឹងយើងនឹងឆ្លើយសំណួរនៅខាងក្រោមនេះ where was the businessman តើអ្នកជំនួញនៅឯណា who did he meet តើអ្នកណាដែលគាត់បានជួប did he like the fish តើគាត់ពេញចិត្តជាមួយនឹងត្រីទេ what did he say តើអ្វីដែលគាត់បាននិយាយ what nationality were the two men តើសញ្ជាតិរបស់បរិសុទ្ធទាំងពីរនាក់ហ្នឹងជាជនជាតិអ្វី the businessman and the fisherman ណាសញ្ញា and នៅឡើយនេះអញ្ចឹងបរិសុទ្ធអ្នកជំនួញហើយនឹងបរិសុទ្ធអ្នកនេសាទ an American businessman បរិសុទ្ធអ្នកជំនួញម្នាក់ was on holiday ពួកគាត់បានទៅសម្រាកលំហែកាយ in a fishing village នៅក្នុងភូមិនេសាទតូចមួយ in the south of Mexico ណានៅភាគខាងត្បូងនៃប្រទេស Mexico one morning នៅព្រឹកមួយ he met a young fisherman គាត់បានជួបនឹងបរិសុទ្ធអ្នកនេសាទម្នាក់ with a small boat ជាមួយនឹងទូកនេសាទតូចមួយ full of lovely yellowfin tuna fish ពេញទៅដោយត្រី tuna ពណ៌លឿង what beautiful tuna ណាគាត់និយាយថាអូត្រីល្អAmerican exclaim បរិសុទ្ធជនជាតិអាមេរិកគាត់លាន់មាត់ណាចឹងនេះយើងមើលរូបភាពណាចឹងគាត់ដើរលេងចឹងគាត់ឃើញបរិសុទ្ធអ្នកនេសាទហ្នឹងស្ទូចត្រី tuna បានល្អចឹងគាត់សួរណានៅខាងក្រោមអូខេយើងត្រូវការស្ដាប់សិននៅខាងលើមិញដូចជាមានសំឡេងឲ្យយើងស្ដាប់ដែរណាចឹងយើងស្ដាប់ហើយយើងឆ្លើយសំណួរតែម្ដងទៅចឹងណាចឹង6:11យើងស្ដាប់ទាំងអស់គ្នាហើយយើងឆ្លើយសំណួរសិនណានៅវគ្គនេះចាំវគ្គតយើងអានទៅបទព្រួយវែងពេក
6.11 The businessman and the fisherman.
Good morning. What beautiful tuna. How long did it take to catch them?
Oh, about 2 hours.
Only 2 hours.
ចឹងគាត់ថា about 2 hours.
Amazing. Why didn't you fish for longer and catch more?
I didn't want to fish for longer.
ចឹងគាត់ថា I didn't want to fish longer.
Yes, I have enough fish for my family.
But what do you do with the rest of your day?
ចឹង I have ណា I have enough fish for my family.
Aren't you bored?
I'm never bored. I get up late, play with my children, watch football, and take a siesta with my wife. Sometimes in the evenings, I walk to the village to see my friends, play the guitar, and sing some songs.
Really? That's all you do? Look, I am a very successful businessman. I went to Harvard University and I study business. I can help you. Fish for 4 hours every day and sell the extra fish you catch.
But
Then you can buy a bigger boat, catch more, and earn more money.
But
Then buy a second boat, a third, and so on until you have a big fleet of fishing boats. And you can export the fish and leave this village and move to Mexico City or LA or New York and open a fishing business.
Okay. But how long will all this take?
Let me think. Probably about 15 to 20 years.
15 to 20 years? And then what, senor?
Why, that's the exciting part. You can sell your business and become very rich. A millionaire.
A millionaire? Really? But what do I do with all the money?
Well, let me think. I know. You can stop work and move to a lovely old fishing village where you can sleep late, play with your grandchildren, watch football, take a siesta with your wife, and walk to the village in the evenings where you can play the guitar and sing with your friends all you want.
Well,
Papa, did you catch many fish?
I caught enough for us today and tomorrow, and also some for this gentleman. Please, senor, have some of my beautiful fish.
I catch ចឹង catch ទៅជា catch ចឹង I catch enough for us today and tomorrow ចឹងយើងនឹងអានណាយើងនឹងអានបកប្រែនៅវីដេអូក្រោយអ្នកនរគ្នាអូខេណាយើងធ្វើអត់តទៅសារច្រើនពេកកុំឲ្យយើងធុញអរគុណច្រើន